Hello everyone! This video will discuss a rather painful topic for many artists, namely how to improve your drawing progress. I have quite a lot of problems with it. In the background now is a speed paint redraw of my old work. The mermaid boy I drew in 2021, and now I decided to redraw him to see the progress. And how you can see now, I draw all my modern works in my own style. Yes, I finally developed it, but first things first. Here I will talk about what helped me directly. I will share my experience. If you have an advice that can supplement this list, write about it in the comment section. Let's improve together and help each other. But first, I will tell you my short story. I've been drawing all my life, but I only started to approach drawing seriously in 2020-2021. Then it seems to me that the world of drawing consists of joy and sea of fun, and every artist enjoys the process. Yes, I don't argue with this, but at the same time a lot of disappointment comes. In yourself, in your works, in general, you begin to ask yourself whether you need all this. I drew with breaks but for a long time. One art could take 8 hours, but the process really brought me a lot of pleasure. It was especially nice not to leave the comfort zone and draw only what works out and what I like. This is one of the problems, but more of that later. And so you finish drawing your art, you like it. You like it for as long as you look at it, but as soon as you look at it the next day or a few hours later, disappointment sets in. You notice all those shortcomings that you didn't pay attention to. It's time to be disappointed in your work that you would spend half a day on. You feel like you're standing still. Sound familiar? You wish to see improvements in every work, but often this doesn't happen to many artists. For many years I didn't see any progress either, but I still liked my works. I gave up drawing several times, although deep down I still really liked it. I liked the process itself, but not the result. In the video, I would like to help people like me who are looking for inspiration and fighting stagnation, who don't see progress in their work. So, how to improve your drawing progress? Move to a new level, so to speak. First, learn to analyze your work. Find those details you like in your work and those that you don't like. Try to improve the first and work on the second and strive to eliminate it. Analyze not only your own work but also the work of those artists you like. Try to notice details and features and gradually transform it to your own style. Here we come to a sore subject for a very large number of artists, especially beginners. This is the search of your own style. Quite a long and laborious process. Of course, there are lucky ones who manage to form their own unique and cool style very quickly, and it really satisfies them. But there aren't that many such people. The majority search for their own style for years, but fortunately this problem has a solution. There is a very good way based on what I said earlier. Try to create a board for yourself on which you will collect only what you really like. I highly recommend when you hang out on Pinterest, try to analyze what you are looking at. Analysis is very important for artists. For example, you saw someone's really cool art. Notice a feature that you liked. Save it to your board. For example, you like how an artist draws eyes, and another one hair, and third clothes. Collect on your board such a Frankenstein monster from the works of different artists and try to transform their features for yourself. I'm not saying to mindlessly copy, no, namely repeat adding something from yourself. This is important. I don't advise repeating someone's styles exactly. Try to be individual and create something new. It's always more interesting. And now you feel confident in your abilities. I hope so. You're finally starting to develop your own style. But there is a problem that haven't yet solved. What to do with mistakes? There is an answer. Watch tutorials more often, and if you are self-taught, try to pay more attention to the academic base. Don't ignore anatomy and the theory of light and color. Understanding the basics will help you a lot when you start to stylize things. It will really make your life easier. Another important piece of advice: train your visual acuity. Look more at the works of those who draw better than you. Aim for their level and focus less on those who are below you in skill. Try to compare your work positively with the work of those who are slightly better than you in your opinion, but without negativity. Don't say about yourself that you draw terribly, you can't do it, or so on. No, you should always ask yourself, what do I need to learn to draw like them? And you will succeed. And 2 advices if you are at the beginning of the journey. Draw a lot and draw a lot of different things. You shouldn't draw only portraits or only landscapes. You need to get out of your comfort zone. Yes, many things may not work out at first, but this is not forever. Everything will change as soon as you practice more. Speedpaint is coming to an end. Write your opinion in the comments. I will be very interested to read. Of course, I like the new version more. If you liked the video, I will be very happy if you rate it with a like. Subscribe to the channel, there is a lot of interesting things ahead. Also subscribe to my Twitter and Instagram. Links in description. I started using it quite recently, so I will also be very happy for support. Goodbye, see ya!